welcome back to our channel. Today's video would be about our trip to Cheung Chau, and we would show day 1 and the hotel room tour in this video, so stay tuned for that. Before we took the ferry, we went to Jollibee for our late lunch, and we always order the same thing. We get the spaghetti set with fries on the side, and then we add a champ burger. After lunch, we walked to the ferry pier. If you want to go to Cheung Chau, you need to go to Pier 5. Do remember to check the ferry schedule before you come, because if you can take the fast ferry, do that. But since we had lunch first, we missed the fast ferry, so we took the ordinary one instead. Have seasickness or any motion sickness really. I would want to throw up when taking a bus. So we went to the back of the upper deck so there would be more fresh air, which would hopefully make the ride better. Well, enough of my talking, let's enjoy the view first. Around an hour, we finally arrived Cheung Chau. We can see that it's not as crowded as usual. It was around 4 p.m. when we arrived there, so we immediately went to check in at the Warwick Hotel, which we are gonna stay there for like 3 days and 2 nights. And here's what the lobby looks like. you can see that we stayed at the first floor of Warwick Hotel, and also the decoration seems old, and even the key, you can see that it's actually an ordinary key instead of the card that we usually use when we stay at a hotel. So here's what the hotel room looks like in a quick glance. Alright, so here's the door, and on your left you would see the fridge, the safe, and all that. And on your right would be the washroom. So let's talk about the left side first. So there's the safe. Well, we don't usually use the safe, and there's the blower, the fridge. You can't really store much over here, and usually hotel fridge really suck because they can't keep the ice cream cold, you know. And here are the hangers. What else? So on the right you can see all these switches to the lights, and here's the washroom. So it has the basic facilities that you need: cups, hand wash, and all that. Here's a big mirror, and I don't know why, but the light keeps flashing, so please bear with me. And I don't really like the bathtub because the drain doesn't have the cover. Oh, we also brought our own towels just in case. Well, just to be safe. And here we have our bags stored in here. We took out our phones, laptop, and all that because we would be filming a DIY tutorial. And over here is a full-size mirror, which is always good. Here is Tommy just lying there playing his mobile game. And we have 2 single beds. Here's the view of Cheung Chau, like they made it as a wall decor. And we have the TV here, and also a small table where we usually eat for the past 3 days. They give us like free water, teas, and all that. The alcohol drinks, we brought it ourselves. And here's the view. The view was really great, but I don't like the windows because there's so many dust. They don't really clean their windows, right? And here's the famous Dongwan Beach. And here's Abby. I always use her as my photo props. Oh, this room we don't have a balcony, but if you pay more you can have a balcony. So later that evening we went out to get some food. You can see here that it was really windy, and that luckily we brought our own fleece jackets so we don't freeze to death. Here we are, just walking to the main street to get some food for our dinner. For our dinner / dessert, we went this place called Cheung Chau Cheung Chau Corner. They usually sell yogurt drinks and also some cake. Here are the classic ones that they have. We ordered 2 drinks and 1 cake for our dessert from Cheung Chau Corner. Here's what the shop looks like inside. They're really cute decorations. They actually sell these too, so if you're interested you can get one. station wall with Cheung Chau on it. So once we got our order from Cheung Chau corner, we went to the other side of the street, which is actually the street next to Cheung Chau market, and we just walked around and see if anything interests us. So we stopped at this place called Gogi Ice House. They have English name actually. Well, based on the Instagram handle, it's called Gogi Ice House. So you can check them out. We love their dumplings so much. Like, they have different types of dumplings. We ordered 2, including the sour and spicy soup. So once we got our order, we head back to the hotel. So these were what we had for dinner. I love the dumpling the most, and also the sour and spicy soup. Our drinks from Cheung Chau corner was actually good too. We also had this cake. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give us a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell as well. So see you next time. Bye guys.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.